Hello and welcome to this mini pack opening, and I will be opening the first of 2 free packs, and here we've got season ticket pack. Right, who will get? Let's see. Come on guys, good luck. Felipe Luis. No, nothing good there. What's this? Absolutely nothing. Wembley, I'll keep that. He might sell. Nice formation. Other than that, let's keep the contract. Everyone needs contract. Come on. I've been quite slow today. BS. Come on. Ah, great. Absolutely great. Sorry, bear with me a moment, I'll just try and get back in. At least it's a nice song. Come on. Right, here we go. Who will sell? Cam. What a name. Quick sell that. Sorry it's been so slow. Right, final pack. Here's me saying quick pack and opening, which it's taking this long thanks to EA. Who we got? Give us a good one. Come on, we're a good player. Oh, Pastore. Slow as hell, but yeah. Actually, has he just recently transferred? I'm not sure. It's been a bit quicker now. Really, I shouldn't be having to wait for it. It should be going like bullet speed. This is ridiculous. Come on, 3 for 3, nope. No. Right, there we go. Thank you for watching. And nothing really much worth. I'll open 17,500. See who we get. Well, thank you FIFA for giving me absolutely nothing. Oh wait a minute, 90 pace. Hey, you will sell. 90 pace and then 41 and 47 pace. God, what a joke. You feel like a tortoise. I mean, how slow can you be to get 41 pace? I mean, Pastore isn't the quickest and he's still got 70 something. God almighty. Thank you for watching. It's been a bit long, but I'm sure you've appreciated the rubbish content that was brought to you by EA Packs. Okay, thanks. It's been Jake and I'm out.